Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Ads with Merchant Center feed step by step clearly. To authenticate Google Ads with your Merchant Center feed, begin by logging into your Google Merchant Center account. Navigate to the Settings section in the left sidebar. Click on Linked Accounts to view account linking options. Select Google Ads from the list of available services. Click the Link Account button to begin the linking process. Enter your Google Ads customer ID in the provided field. Make sure to review your access permissions to ensure the correct level of access is granted. Once you have confirmed the information, click Send Request. Next, log into your Google Ads account to check for the linking request notification. In Google Ads, click on the tool icon in the upper right corner to access account management. Choose Linked Accounts under the Setup column. Find the Merchant Center under the Listings and click View Details. You will see the pending request. Click on Accept to finalize the link. Now, head back to the Google Merchant Center and ensure the link status is updated to Linked. At this stage, your Google Ads account is linked to your Merchant Center. To set up your product feed, return to the Merchant Center dashboard. Click on Products in the left sidebar and select Feeds. Choose Add Feed to create a new feed for your products. Follow the prompts to select your feed type, target country, and language. Upload your product feed file or connect to the feed source. Review the feed settings and ensure all information is accurate. After completing the setup, click Create Feed. Once your feed is processed, check for any errors or warnings in the Merchant Center. Make necessary adjustments and resubmit the feed if needed. Return to your Google Ads account and create a new campaign. Select Shopping as your campaign type for promoting your products. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure your campaign settings. Select your linked Merchant Center feed when prompted during the setup process. Finalize the campaign and save all changes. Your Google Ads is now authenticated with your Merchant Center feed, ready to showcase your products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.